Okay, so this is me and Sierra. We've been watching the scary videos where you watch a video. Yeah,
follow a red dot around the screen.
Yeah.
And then a picture pops up and scares you.
And we had to get a reaction video, so
we're doing it. We're doing it. We're gonna put it on YouTube. There's the red dot. Follow it.
I hate it because I don't know when it's coming up.
I don't either. It's just gonna pop up randomly. It's going slow. Why is it going slow?
Watch, it will like buffer and then.
No, it did it last time too. It went slow and then it went fast and stuff. I think it's coming up. I think it's coming up. Don't be scared. It's coming up. I think I just had a heart attack. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, that's us
being idiots.
Yep.